Hey everyone, today I want to take a moment to honor one of the most iconic figures in American history, Martin Luther King Jr. Let's dive into his life, his incredible contributions to the civil rights movement, and how his legacy continues to inspire us today. Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929, in Atlanta, Georgia. From a young age, he was exposed to the harsh realities of racial segregation and discrimination. But instead of succumbing to anger and hatred, King chose a path of love and nonviolence. After completing his education, King became a pastor and quickly emerged as a prominent leader in the civil rights movement. In 1955, he led the Montgomery bus boycott, a pivotal event that marked the beginning of a nationwide effort to end racial segregation. King's philosophy was deeply rooted in the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. He believed in peaceful protests, civil disobedience, and the power of love to overcome hate. His powerful speeches and writings continue to resonate, with the "I Have a Dream" speech standing out as a timeless call for equality and justice. The civil rights movement, under King's leadership, achieved significant milestones. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965 were landmark legislations that outlawed racial discrimination and protected the voting rights of African Americans. These victories were hard-won and came at a great personal cost to King and many others. Tragically, Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated on April 4, 1968. But his dream didn't die with him. His legacy lives on in the continued fight for civil rights and social justice. Today, the movement has evolved, addressing issues like police brutality, economic inequality, and voting rights suppression. So, how can we honor Martin Luther King Jr.'s legacy? Firstly, by educating ourselves and others about his life and the civil rights movement. Understanding history helps us appreciate the progress made and the work that still needs to be done. Secondly, by getting involved in our communities. Volunteer for organizations that promote equality and justice, support policies that address systemic racism, and stand up against injustice whenever you see it. And finally, by embodying the principles that King stood for: love, peace, and nonviolence. In a world that's often divided, being a beacon of hope and compassion can make all the difference. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice." Let's continue bending that arc by honoring his legacy every day. Thank you for watching, and let's keep the dream alive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, we can make a difference.
Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this.